Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of Blocksky. Now, a couple days went by in Minecraft time, not in real life time. It's been about, I don't know, a half hour since the last episode. But in that time, the only thing I did was get some cobblestone. Now we have just about 10 stacks and a half of cobblestone, or just a little bit more. And we got a tree, which is fantastic. Our stalks are growing up. I think this is the melon, this is the pumpkin, but I'm probably wrong. And look at that, our first piece of wheat. That's so exciting. And we got grass growing, which is even more exciting, to be honest, because now I can just start, boom, 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 start placing stuff. And I don't have to worry about the grass just disappearing on me. I thought I had another piece of wheat. I guess I put it down. Oh no, I put it down right there, and it should be grown very soon. So yeah, that's very exciting for us. Now this lower level, I want it to be more of storage and cobblestone generator, and then this top part is going to be more plant-based stuff. But we also need to find a spot for our mob grinder, which I haven't really decided yet. But if I look at how I want the base design to be, it honestly doesn't really matter because I'll fix it up to look nice no matter what. It doesn't really matter. So we probably want pigs and stuff to be over here. So might as well have that up there maybe. I could continue the staircase maybe. We should also make this much thicker later on. But to start, let's actually just branch it off over this way. This seems like a good enough way to go, I guess. Now, how far away have we gone? If we're starting here at block 6, then we want to go over to at least, I'd say, 20. Oh no, it's going negative, so it would have to be negative 14 at least. Just to be 20 blocks away, make sure mobs are spawning correctly. And then we could expand this a little bit so we don't run and fall off the edge. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now we can start the process of building. So yeah, let's just do one more. And then what we want is we're going to start with this. We're going to go around just to start the column section, like so. Boom, boom, boom. And then I actually want some ooh. I thought that was the staircase. I almost jumped right off. Let's actually do that. Let's grab some, or make some at least, half slabs. And then, no, we'll just keep it at that. And then I think what I want to do actually is that, and then we'll do the half slabs here, and then also right there. Now we are currently 2 blocks up, and we want to get up to 21. So let's do this as 4, 6. I really hope we have enough cobblestone to complete this whole thing. I feel like 10.5 stacks should be plenty, but this is a fairly large farm, so not farm, sorry, grinder. That's 8. Hopefully it's enough. 10, and then we'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can't remember if it's 20 blocks or 21 blocks that gets them to. Actually, I think it's 21, just because if you do the math with what is it? Is it 10 hunger bars that there is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you don't fall till block 4. So that kind of adds up, I think, to 21. With each additional block being a half health value. So 4 being the half health, and then if you want to get to half health left, That will be 19 plus the 3 blocks to get you to hurting. So maybe it's 22? I don't know. Well, this is 20, and I will have probably a sword at some point, so this should be plenty enough, honestly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This will be our waterway, and we're going to have 4 separate waterways for this grinder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I don't think I want it to run the whole time, day and night. So what I want to do is I think I'm just going to have it be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just going to be open on top. So the outside walls will probably just have a half slab so no mob spawn. Just so... Oh, why did I do that? So at during the day, we don't have just like a bunch of mobs going all over the place. 6, 7, 8. Especially just because it's a sky block. At nighttime, the chances of them spawning is like super high since there's no other possible place for them to spawn. You know what I mean? So we're down to 4 already? Dang. Or 5. But we'll be down to 4 once I finish up these columns. We're definitely going to have to grab... we're not definitely... Nope, we're definitely going to have to grab more cobblestone, which sucks, but... No big deal. All I have to do is just like watch a video for like 10 minutes and I already have like a bunch of stacks, so it's not a big deal at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we have the waterways complete. Now, I do want to have signs to go on this level, just so the mobs kind of just walk off the edge. I don't know if you guys are Minecraft experts like I am, but if you do have a sign or a trapdoor, the mobs see it as a full block, so they'll just walk right off the edge, which is the goal. So we're done with the second layer, and now we must go over here and do the spawn pads. So I think there's 4 pads, each being an 8x8. So there should be plenty of spots for mobs to spawn in this world. Oh, let's break this block. Cool. Sadly, my mouse, I have a Razer mouse, which has been doing fantastic for me for many, many years now. I've had it since I was, let's see, since I graduated high school, I think, and I'm on my 4th year of college, so I've had it for about 4 years now. But sadly, the right mouse button is just fine, but the left mouse button is being a little finicky. So sometimes if I'm holding it down, it won't register, which is sometimes a pain, but I'm just living with it at this point. At some point, I'll end up getting a new Razer mouse if this one just dies completely. I do like the feel of it, so I'm probably not going to go to another product, but who knows? We'll see. Oh my goodness. Break these last couple pieces. Now I think this is the last of it. Or no, we have one more stack. No, we don't have one more stack. Dang, we didn't do as good as I thought at all. I wish they didn't give us all this bread, but I mean, since it's here, I'm going to eat it, you know. You know. Now, easy way to get down. Like that. And then I'm just going to boop. Come on, break and break. Thank you very much. Now, real quick, I will be back. I'm just going to grab a couple more pieces of cobblestone, and then we'll get back to finishing up this thing. Alright guys, we're back with a couple more stacks of cobblestone. We got just about 3, and I actually need to grab this lovely crafting table because I'm going to eventually need it for the half slabs. Now, it is nighttime, and I really hope mobs haven't spawned, but if they But they should be, right? That would make a lot of sense, being skyblock. They should spawn. And I should be careful here, but... Yeah, what? No mobs? Hello? Hello? There should be mobs here, shouldn't there? This is kind of strange, but I mean... Hopefully it ends up in our favor. It is on hard. I even locked it if we go to my options. So, mobs should be spawning. They're not even spawning down there. This is kind of concerning, but it is what it be, and it do how it goes. Made no sense, but mobs not spawning right now makes no sense, so, you know, just gotta go with it. Ooh, look at that! We got a lovely watermelon grown. Oh, and pumpkin. Cool. We're set. We're all set on food. Okay. We're just gonna do this layer. Ooh. Wait, what? Oh, that's probably why. I shouldn't have done that. Whatever. It's okay. It just kind of like, it's a useless block to have down like all of these. Like the only ones you need is this, 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 and that on each of the four sides. Other than that, it's just a waste of material. Because now I'm just about done, when if I didn't place those down, I would have been a stack up and been fine, but now I have to grab more cobblestone. Sad. Sad but true. Now, let's drop down. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Just so I can have an infinite source when I have enough cobblestone to finish this up. Because it would be a pain to have to go down one more time if everything is done. So, might as well get everything prepared in advance. Okay. I really hope mobs start spawning in there once night comes again. That will make my night. Not day, because you know it's nighttime, so hehehe. But we're gonna grab a little bit more cobblestone. And yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, hopefully we got enough cobblestone to complete this. And that is hopefully the last cut of this as well. Now, oh, I need water. Good idea. Good, good, good. We don't want to forget that. Boom, got it. Now, I really don't want to use, like, this cobblestone. So, what we are going to attempt, I do have my slabs ready as well. I only need a stack and 16 to complete the outside edge. But hopefully this is enough to get me to the top. Yeah, this will work just fine. Fantastic. Oh, that was so sweet. I did that one other time and it took forever. I kept like falling to the bottom and then having to like go all the way back up, and it's just like a nuisance. But wait, what? That happens? Weird. Okay, well, before we stack everything up, I just want to set up the waterways, as you can see. And this episode, I'm probably not going to end up getting all of the signs in place around the edges, just because that is going to take a decent amount of wood that I do not have. I'd like to conserve the wood I have right now for other things. But once we get like a nice wood farm going and I have a surplus, then yes, the spawns hopefully will increase much more. Just because they do see that there is a wall. Okay, let's remove this, because all of the waterways are done. And then we shall finish this up. Hopefully. 2, 3, 4, 5. one more line, and we should have it done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cool. And now we just put the half slabs on, just so no mobs can spawn up here. Oh my goodness, I suck. Boom, boom. And this should give us plenty of other items. So we'll get like string, gunpowder, bone meal, some arrows, experience too. And the most important thing is potential zombie villagers. That would be fantastic to get. But my concern actually right now is I just realized, how do we even turn a zombie villager into a zombie? Not a zombie, a villager. But whatever. Well, we're done with that project. Oh, I should gotta get in this corner. And boom. That'll go away. We got a sweet ton of wheat here. That is not done. That is also not done. Sweet and sweet. Cool. This is going pretty well. I wish I had a couple torches, but sadly do not. But let's grab this tree to finish off this episode. And if you guys did enjoy, please give it a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I'm not really sure what the next plan is. Maybe it is to make this look a little bit nicer. I'm going to grab a little bit more cobblestone in between, maybe chop down some trees, get some saplings so we can have some wood. And yeah, take care guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.